How to set 30-second night mode on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open up your camera app and then make sure that you toggle off the flashlight. So once you toggle it off, make sure that you're in a dark place. And then once you're in a dark place, you can see the switch beside the flashlight. Just tap on it, that is the night mode. And then you can see that the seconds keep changing. So the seconds will change itself. You cannot set it to 30 seconds by yourself, but it will depend on the environment. So you can see that the seconds appear, go, and the seconds change according to the need. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you.